I'm very humbled by the distinction from my peers. I'm fortunate and blessed to have this recognition, but Tom to me is still that high watermark that I've been trying to get to.
People are forgoing accuracy for mobility because they're looking for Aaron Rodgers in this game. This is an accurate mobile quarterback. Tom Brady, Peyton Manning, you have to take a back seat to that. Drew Brees broke a record that's been. Drew Brees is where he should be. And don't even, Calvin Johnson pulled Detroit up by himself with an incredible year.
Tom Brady ain't got no business at number 4. Come on, playmaker, baby. I understand Aaron Rodgers is like that. I believe in him, but 5 Super Bowls, man? Come on. And you talking about his mobility? He doesn't need to be mobile. But he's just sitting back there saying, hickory dickory dock. The measuring stick for running backs. With all of them going there to get a new contract, what do they say? I want AP money. I need AP money because AP is the measuring stick.
I think I'm where I need to be. If they want to put me at the top pass rusher in the league, I can give them that.
No, I'm talking about on the list. You're talking about top pass rusher in the league. Where should you be on the list?
No, I'm talking on the list.
Yes.
Oh, number 1. You know that.